I would say something we often say in Loftware is Smartflow turns chaos into calm. So what's exciting about Smartflow is that when you realise the impact it can have on productivity, control and collaboration in a business, not only bringing together internal teams, but also bringing a secure way to also include supply chain partners. With Smartflow, you're reducing manual follow-up, reducing chasing people, letting them know when they might need to contribute to a project. You're eliminating manual tracking, which you might otherwise be doing with Excel. Everyone is aligned, even in distributed teams. So with all that, through using the tool to manage tasks and projects, you get a real-time bird's eye view of ongoing work. And ultimately, the opportunity to analyse all that data to identify process bottlenecks and continuously improve your working practices based on real data, which can be broken down by any information and content you might store or manage as part of your projects.